Nang ban pynkup bor shuh gidi khwat jong ki SSG hapoh ka shatri jong ka Shithai Shrup Cluster Level Federation kaba kynthup ya ki shispa saupo nyau tylli ki SSG nakaliang ki officer nang pyniaid na block level office ki bajui rap habaro ki kam ban kintiu ya ka self help group ki lapli menta ka sngi ya ka shlem ai jinghikai halor karukom bu jinghikai jingdia ha ka bede bat ka kam pisa tyngka ha kane ka sngi lawan ban pli ya kane ka shlem ai jinghikai kabala tip kum ka finance literacy lane ka Saksham center jong ka Shithai Shrup Cluster Level Federation kabadon ka office trikam Patharkmah ri Bhoi district da branch manager ka SBI Patharkhnah hakane ka sila don langru usodar jong ka snong Patharkmah lembat ki officer ki be trelang ha ka ban kintiu ya ki self help group hapoh ka jirang blog layoru ya ka jingshat nakaliang jong kidikot ka SSG na ka kentoj umsau Patharkmah lapnya ya ka jingilang de kong Esrani president jong ka federation
from all the members. It is not the work of the president or the secretary. It needs unity, cohesion and coordination from all the members. Okay. So if there is 10 members, so all the efforts will be put together so that that group can progress forward. That is the main thing. Apart from that, secondly, I request all the members, SAG members, to open account, whether it is MRB, whether it is SBI, no problem. But kindly maintain one cooperative account. Okay, you might have an account, but if that account is not running for a long time, because of your account, if that group is going to take loan, it might face problem later on. Okay, so it is my kind request. You don't have to maintain huge amount also, as per your capability. 500, 1,000, that's fine. Okay. And I would like to stress one very important thing I find out here in Western Riboy. It is fully blessed. If you see the area, the soil is very fertile. 100% fertile, I should say. Okay. So if we put good effort, I am not saying that people are not putting effort, but with some creativity or maybe with like this cluster or in some way, we would have do much better than this. Okay, we would have progress for our own. Plus the we don't have to import from other. We are the one who should be exporting from here. Okay, like example, pineapple. Here these people from South India, in Pahang, they are doing such a huge field. Why they are coming from South India till Western Riboy in Pahang? We have to think, right? Like that. I want to encourage each and everyone to work tirelessly with full conviction and full commitment. And then I am sure definitely success will be ours. This much I would like to say. Then if there is anything, any question, just before I go, I would like to request all the CLF and the SCG members or the leaders present here to kindly approach us if they intend to open new account or as you can say like small schemes like 20 rupees PMSBY, PMJJBY. This is also one important thing which actually I thought that Madam Ria has already clarified all this. That's why I'm just not going into details. Okay. So we are ready to help, and then maybe sometime you are thinking there might be a lack of service, like you might not be satisfied with the service of the bank also. Feel free to approach us as far as possible. We'll be ready to extend helping hand. Of course, sometimes it's not in our power, but as far as possible, we can talk and discuss and find a solution. Okay? Thank you so much.